Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So you should already know what time it is. I'm about to give you guys the details on this beautiful wig that I'm wearing from one of my favorite companies, West Kiss Hair. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so the wig that I'm wearing is their 22-inch body wave lace front wig, and it is in a size large. This is not transparent lace, but the lace was not bad on this wig as well. I did go ahead and tint it a little bit with some foundation. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys, of course, the hair itself, the body wave, which came, West Kiss Hair always comes like ready to wear. I don't have to wash this hair or co-wash it, whatever you want to call it, to make the hair come alive like I do some other companies. So that is a major plus, and one of the reasons why I just love West Kiss Hair. But I'm gonna go in and pluck a little bit of the hairline, not necessarily to pluck to make it thinner because it's too thick. That's a good thing with this particular wig or this particular company, is that West Kiss doesn't give you like that super thick hairline where you've got to be like plucking forever. It just needs a little bit better of a transition, and that's all I'm doing here, is just trying to create a little bit better of a transition. So right there where my tweezers are, I'm just plucking right along that little line to just kind of break up that line of demarcation and make it look a little bit more natural. So once I finish plucking, I'm just taking my hot comb and just running it over the top, the edges, the part, pretty much to get that to lay as flat as I possibly can. It's much easier for me to really go in with the hot comb while it's on a mannequin head versus my own head, because this crap gets hot, and I don't know how people do it like on their head. I'd rather just do all my business, everything I got to do that involves heat or involves my hot comb on the mannequin head. So it does come with your standard 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. And this lace, I believe it's a medium brown lace, but I will put everything, of course, in the description box so you'll have it. I know it's not transparent, but it wasn't bad. Like it kind of worked just like this for me, like this color. So I'll be sure to put exactly what I'm wearing, of course, like I always do, in the description box so you'll have it. So I just cut it with an eyebrow razor, and then just going in with my Got To Be Glued freeze spray. And I have been doing this method for about 3 weeks now, maybe a little, give or take, let's just say 3 weeks now, but it's so much easier and so much faster. I still like to use my Got To Be Glued in the yellow bottle with the freeze spray like I've done for so long, if I want a longer hold, or if I know I'm going to be running around all day long and I just don't want to take no chances with, because it's still like in the 90s here, the low 90s here in Houston. So I will still use that method if I just, if I know it's going to be on all day, like AM to PM. But using just a freeze spray by itself on a day-to-day basis has been working very well for me. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to cut some baby hair. I've been working on my baby hair game as well, just trying to switch it up, trying to do different techniques, styles, all that good stuff. When it comes to a middle part, I typically don't like to do too much baby hair, but today I just decided to just do some swoops and swirls. I don't know what I was thinking, but I think it worked. Like it just all kind of came together. So I'm just taking a few pieces, and I also realized that I used to take my baby hair like all in like one big chunk, like take all the baby hair up front and just try and lay it all down. But if you kind of take pieces, skip a section, take a piece, skip a section like that, it looks so much more natural. And I particularly like the way my edges came out on this particular wig for this look. So I hope I can recreate it, but typically when you do something so great, it's very hard to recreate, but that's why I keep practicing, and that's what you got to do. So anyways, this is how it looks once everything has dried. I could have left the hair just like this, you guys. So this is definitely a wear out of the box, ready to go kind of wig if you really needed it to be. But of course, because I am who I am and I am a creature of habit, I had to go and add some wand curls in it, and this hair curls so freaking fast. I'm gonna slow it down for you guys. Actually, I'm just gonna show you in a bit in real time how well and how fast this hair curls. Of course, it does depend on how hot your wand curl does heat up, but mine heats up pretty fast, and it heats up pretty hot as well. But just in general, just speaking, I think this hair curled super fast, which it took me no time to just pop a few curls. And I did not do like my entire head. I mainly just did the top to add a little bit of volume because it did fall a little flat to me. And you guys know I do like a little bounce, a little this, a little that, a little volume up in my hair. So that is what I am doing here, and that's what the wand curls are going to add. Alright guys, so here I'm going in with my wax stick. I don't know what's been up with me lately, but lately I've been doing too much of this wax stick, you guys, and it has been making my hair like super flat. And I just added curls for volume. It's really just for flyaways, but I've realized that when the hair is like kind of thick, I go in between like towards the scalp in different section, and that just kind of lays it down even more. But I didn't really need to do that with this wig, so don't ask me why I did it. I'm just being extra. But I did go ahead and add in, like, I don't even want to call these layers because I really did not layer this up like it could have been. So just keep that in mind. If you get exactly the same wig that I am wearing right here, just be prepared to add in a few layers just for a more natural look. I think it would look so much better just kind of layered up and framing your face. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this wig. I am for sure giving this like a good 9.5 out of 10. The hair is beautiful. I just did a little bit of plucking and you are good to go. So if you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. You know I will answer you. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.